Hello guys, welcome to another wonderful tutorial. It's your boy Elias Marvelous and aka Dr. Marel. So I want to wish you a happy new year, and for those of you who haven't subscribed to the channel, if you are new to this channel, hit that subscribe button down below here. And also click on that like button, hit the bell button for notifications. Anytime I upload videos, you get notifications. So welcome guys, welcome back. I know I've been away for a while, I think 3 months. It was because of my work, and I've been working on my song. So you can check the song out and see and drop what you think about the song. So today, let's go to the tutorial. Today I'll be showing you a quick groove, an Ariaria groove, and you're going to enjoy it. So in the key of F sharp. Yeah. So also, if you want to learn how to play Ariaria from scratch, hand coordination and how to come up with grooves, you can check my quick course. I'll drop the link below. It's just for 3,000 naira, and it's a mini course, but you're not going to regret it. So you can check the link below on how to go about it, how to get it. So thank you. Let's go to the tutorial. Okay, what I was doing there in the key of F sharp. So I splitted the keyboard from this F sharp downward as my bass line. Then so in the key of F sharp, it's simple. I'll show you what I did in the left hand, then what I did on the right hand. So first, let's go to the right hand because it's simple. Just 3 chords we are playing on the right hand side. First, the 1 chord. It's an inverted 1 chord, so it's the 3, 5, and 1. That is B flat, D flat, and G flat. So from here we go into the next chord. This is the 4 chord. So starting with the 4, the 6, and the 1. That is the B, E flat, G flat. So that's the second chord. Now let's go to the third chord. So this is the 5 chord. It's the normal progression for this phrases. So the 5 chord is the 2, 5, 7. That's the A flat, D flat, and F. That's the chord. Those are the chords. So it go. So we start with the 1, 1, 4, 5, 4, 1, 4, 5, 4, 1. Simple. Now let's go to the left hand. Sorry. So the left hand is playing the. This is the one we are starting with, the 1, 3, 5, and the upper one. That's what we are playing. So you're going to learn how to spread your hands. If you've not known how to coordinate both hands, you can download a quick course on Ariaria praises, and the link I'll paste below, somewhere down below. So it's like this: 1, 3, 5, 1. That's a F sharp, B flat, okay, D flat, and G flat. So the next progression on the left hand is. Let me take that again. That's like everything. So next, 5, 6, 4, 5. That's low. That's all. Simple, just like that. Now let's add both hands together. So we are starting with the 1. Left hand 1, right hand 1. So now I'm using these inversions. I arrange these inversions like this so that I can easily move from one chord to the other without jumping around. So these are 1. We're starting with the 1. I'll play it slowly. Sorry. So by the time we moved, we are going from the 4. So when we hit the 5 here, we are hitting the 4 on the right hand. Then when we go to the 6 here, we are going to the 5 here. Then we complete it. That's the 4, 5. So everything ends on the 5. Then we'll go back to the 1. So let me see if I can do that slowly. Even slower. So let me know what you think about the quick and short tutorial. Drop your comments below. Don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already, so that you can get notifications when I post videos like this. Thank you very much for subscribing. God bless you. See you in the next video.